How to grow California poppy, Eschscholzia californica. Home gardeners growing California poppies, Eschscholzia californica, from seed are compensated with their wispy, plant-like foliage and enthusiastic orange, red and yellow blossoms. Breathtaking, dry spell tolerant plants are most loved for use in holder gardens, blended beds, shake gardens and water-wise, xeric, scenes. Gives a durable, simple to keep up a show of hues. Extremely solid. Planting. Number 1 perennial in warm atmospheres that self-seeds effortlessly. Number 2 direct seed outside in rich soil, needs full sun. Number 3 minimal watering, no manure. Number 4 blooms late spring to late summer. Number 5 to use as cut blossoms, reap before sprout opens. Number 5 sunlight, full sun. Number 6 maturity, 55-75 days from seed to blossom. Number 7 height, 4 to 12 inches. Number 8 spacing, 4 to 8 inches separated every which way. California poppies like rich, quick depleting soil, adequate water and a lot of daylight. Notwithstanding, they are versatile and will endure poor soil conditions and some dry spell. Work a shovelful or two of very much matured excrement or natural fertilizer into the dirt before planting to enhance soil conditions and help advance inexhaustible blossoms. The most effective method to plant. Coordinate seeding is ideal, as poppies don't care to have their underlying foundations bothered. So in late winter when the dirt is as yet cool and light ice is conceivable may likewise be sown in the fall just before the ground solidifies. Seeds will develop in 10-15 days. Poppy plants are not substantial feeders. A lot of manure will make plants deliver intemperate leaf development to the detriment of blossom creation. Evacuate the spent blooms, or utilize them as cuttings in blossom courses of action, to broaden the blossoming season. Make a point to abandon some blurred blossoms on the plants, particularly later in the year, as poppies are self-seeding year to year.